Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken parm and spaghetti in a Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting out at my Speedi, and I have a 1-pound box of half-length spaghetti. If you can't find this, it sells at Walmart. Just get regular length spaghetti and break it in half. I'm going to go ahead and put my spaghetti down here, and I'm going to alternate the layers as best I can to keep this from getting clumped together. Push it down a little bit. If you break some, that's fine. Now I have 2 jars of pasta sauce. These are 24 ounces. I'm going to add in 1.5 of the jars. We're going to save half of the jar to put on top of our chicken with the Parmesan part. Alright. I'm going to take that empty jar and I'm going to fill it with water. I'm going to add some water in. I think I'm going to add in 1/2 jar of water. Because in the Speedi, unlike the pressure cooker, let me grab a wooden spoon. This pasta won't drink up the liquid as quick as it would in a pressure cooker. It's going to be steaming here. I'm going to put my little tray in the top that came with it. Pulling out the little legs. Right now I have some frozen chicken patties. It's going to be a quick, easy way of doing it. I'm going to put 4 of them in there. And I'm going to close my lid down. We're set on air fry. I'm going to switch it up to rapid cook. I'm going to turn this on. We're already on Speedi meals. I'm going to set my temperature at 350, and I'm going to set my time for 10 minutes. About halfway through the cooking, I'll go in and turn the chicken patties over. Alright, halfway through the cooking, after 5 minutes, I took the chicken out, I stirred the spaghetti around, I put the chicken back, turned it over. I'm going to take some of that sauce that we saved in the beginning, and I'm going to put it over top of the chicken. And this chicken is crispy because I can hear it when I smear the sauce on. A little more sauce on there. Alright, I have some sliced provolone cheese. I'm going to go ahead and put a slice on each piece of chicken. Now we're set at 350. I'm going to close this down. I'm going to turn my temperature up to 400. And I'm going to set this for 2 minutes. Just long enough to melt that cheese and warm that sauce up. Alright guys, this is done. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I topped this with some fresh parsley. Italian seasoning would work nice also. Let me start with this chicken. See, it's cheesy. The cheese wants to pull right off of there. Really good. Has that good homemade chicken Parmesan flavor, cheesy, with a shortcut. Try some of this spaghetti. Spaghetti's tender, well seasoned, drank up all that liquid in there. Guys, that was really easy and delicious. Chicken parm and spaghetti in a Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and support me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.